Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Carolyn and I'm glad to see you here. I am going to be opening up the October ice cream box. And as I said in my previous videos, I forgot to bring my information down, so I don't have prices, but I'm really sorry about that. But this is a monthly subscription and it's usually pretty good. So let's get into it and see what we got this month. It's got a little card, tells you prices, which I am really appreciative of. So we'll put that there. And what I'm pulling out first looks to be a palette. Hera Ditto. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. It's all taped up. There we go. Sorry, taking me a while here. Take that off, then you can see it better. It looks like this. And Ditto Cosmetics. This retails for $30. Let's see. Oh, it's got a nice mirror and gorgeous colors. Oh, I love this. There's the colors. This is to die for. This blue. I don't wear blues, but I'm going to try that because it's very pretty. Look at them colors. We're going to go ahead and swatch some. I'm going to do this glitter. But you'll probably need a glitter glue because, yeah, it looks like that. So you're going to need, I don't think that'll even swatch, no. Okay, let's do, ooh, this one's pretty. It's a burgundy. Got something on my finger. And like a champagne color. They're very silky. Ooh. Okay, and let's do one of these blues. And the black one here. Ooh, it's green. Looks black. And then a brown. Those are the colors. Let's see what they look like. Oh, they're beautiful. Ooh, I like it. Look how pretty those are. I love them pinks. And that one looked green on my finger, but it's gray or black. This one here. Those are really pretty. I really like them. Let's darken that middle one up there. Very pretty colors. Of course, I got to take it off right away or I'll get it all over my clothes. And I don't want to do that. Oh, that's a nice palette. They got good stuff in this box. I know I've heard stuff about them, but I always have good stuff in here. I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, but there's that. And then the next thing we have is, what is it? Let's open it up and find out. If I can open it. I have more trouble opening stuff, and I totally ruined the packaging. This has got to be a highlighter. Cocoa Glow Illuminating Drops. They look like this. Yeah, no, that button. Oh, how pretty. I don't know if you can see that sparkle. Let's put some on. Looks like that. Oh, it's gorgeous. Ah, I love it. It's, my camera's not picking nothing up. There, can you see? shiny. And this, retails for $19. And I am so sorry, but look how small that wording is. I can't read that. Oh, I usually, with illuminating drops, you drop them in your foundation or your moisturizer and then put them on. But yeah, just that. We have next Eau Cherie Nourishing Lipsticks, enriched with jojoba oil and cherry extract. You get 3 of them. And enriched with cherry extract and jojoba oil, no parabens and mineral oil, certified cruelty-free and vegan, and you apply directly to lips, starting from the middle of the lips and moving towards the corners. Let's... Oh, look at, they got a little heart in them, in the middle of them. I'm going to do my other hand because this one's oily. Oh, it's pretty. Very pretty. And it's very smooth, silky. And you get 3 of them. That's pretty good. I wonder if they're all the same color. Let me see. They look like it. Oh, rose. The one I tried on was rouge. This one's rose. Looks like that. We'll see what this one looks like. Oh, it's a little nudier. This one here. That's the rose. And there's one more. New. N-U-E. There's that. Look at that heart. Let's try. Maybe it's... That's a little pinker. They're very pretty. No, they don't smell like nothing. So you get 3 of these. That's a good deal. And that is Cherry Lips. Retails for $24. Those are nice. I like those. I'll put them back in the box here. Oh. Very nice. Very, very nice. So we got that. Let me take this off. Okay, next up, looks like we have a, oh, it's a brush. Paris Tools foundation brush, and it retails for $30. Oh, it's cute. How do you get it out? There. It looks like that. Soft. It's really soft. It's got a nice black handle. Yeah, I like that. That's soft. Very nice. Dense. Thick. Very nice. And then it's got this nifty little holder for it. It snaps right on, and you don't have that exposed to, you know, everything in your, wherever you keep your makeup. So there's that. And the last thing we have in here is Mirabella Blackout. And it's an eye crayon, and it retails for $20. Yeah, it's just black. Just black. Oh, it's creamy. This goes on like that. I don't think, I might be giving this away because to give them to one of my kids because I don't wear black eyeliner or eye crayon. I wouldn't wear that. So, okay. So let's recap. We got the nice cherry lipsticks. We got these beautiful illuminating drops. This cool foundation brush. We got the eye crayon in black. And the beautiful eyeshadow palette that I can't wait to start using. So that was the October ice cream box. I like it. I love this box. I never really had a bad box yet, so I'm happy with this subscription. What do you think? Do you like this subscription? Do you like, what was your favorite product in here? Mine was definitely the eyeshadow palette. I thought it was good. I also like those lip glosses or lipsticks too. Them were nice. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this box down below. I would really appreciate hearing from you. If you like this video and you like this content, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and the notification bell. That way you'll always be notified of a video coming out. And until next time, stay happy and healthy. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye-bye.